Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? It is actually Sunday and it is 4/19. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend, and tomorrow of course is Labor Day, and I'm sure everyone's going to be celebrating with their family and friends. Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing, and it's from the one with the diamond art, and I'm actually doing this for an event. It's hashtag Finira 2025, and it's by the artist Finira, and it's hosted by, I believe, Debbie from the Crafty Diamond. It has to be a new start. Yeah, and it's supposed to start September 1st, the event, until I think October the 12th. And so, yeah, so I figured I try it with this beautiful painting for the event. I am not going to actually register for it, but I am going to participate in the event, because I'm actually going to be participating in two other. So I'll be participating in 3 events. Okay, so let's begin. All right, so let's open this baby up. Okay. Now, the good thing about this company is that you could actually select the size that you want of painting, and also you could select the drill type. So this came in square or round, and I believe I picked round. We'll see. Okay, let's see. So here we have the drills. Here's the card. It says, thanks from Meg and Kathy, the one with the diamond art. Look how shiny their card is. Pretty cool. Okay, see anything else? Yep, there's a toolkit in here. And I think that's it. All right, so let's put that aside. And let's look at very quickly the toolkit. As you can see, it comes in a very cute little bag. And again, it says the one with the diamond art. I'm really looking forward to this event because Finira is one of my favorite artists. Of many, because I'm a little crazy about diamond painting. All right, so let's see what it comes with. So it has a diamond pen with a single placer, and also has another one, multi-placer, and you could put this on the other side of the pen, and then you could pick up, I don't know, maybe 8, not sure, or 10, 8 drills on this side. So that's called a multi-placer. Oh, actually, there's another one here, and I think this was a 3. So you can pick up 3. And this is a comfort grip. It slides in, and then it helps with your hand for comfort. Okay, and then of course it comes with very sharp yellow tweezers. Pretty cool. And it does say the one with the diamond art. It also comes with very pretty washi tape. Not pretty? It's sort of like rose gold. And then it comes with some wax. This is red wax. And let's not forget a tray. Okay, so you have everything that you need if you're a beginner or if you're traveling. You have everything that you need in order to start diamond painting. Let's put that aside. And then, of course, these are the drills. They are round. I selected round. So I am going to open this because I do need the sheet. Okay. And they're not in order, so that's okay. I'm going to put this aside, but look at the colors like this so far. Very pretty. Okay. Okay, we'll look at that in a little while. Should we look at the painting first? Yeah, why not? What the heck? Okay, so the canvas is actually very, very soft. That's very nice. It comes with scallop edges. It does have like not pinholes, but sort of like a little line. And that's also to protect the canvas from falling apart. Okay, I'm gonna, oh wait, there's another sticker in here. This is what I needed. So here is the beautiful painting. It has, let me turn it this way so we can, okay. There goes that beautiful painting. I believe it's called Hidden Angel by Finira. And I selected 50 by 65 centimeters. Here you have the pre-cut stickers, and you could actually use these on your container. And if not, you could actually put these on your logbook. Okay. This does come in handy. All right, so I'm unrolling it. Wow, this is actually a very good size too, guys. It has some lint in the back, but you could take those out later. Okay, so I'm just gonna unroll it and do this. Just sort of flatten it because it's been in the box. I was very afraid that it wasn't going to arrive in time for the event, but it did. So I'm very happy about that. Okay, so in the bottom it says Hidden Angel by Finira. It's round diamonds and it is 50 by 65 centimeters. Okay, and it has their logo. And then over here it tells you where you can find them. Okay, Instagram, Facebook, and that's their website. All right, so, and as you can see here, you've got the legend on the bottom of the left-hand side. And it basically tells you, well, it has 3 rows, and it tells you, the first row, it tells you that it has 50 colors. That's actually very good, 50 colors. And in the middle are the symbols, and the symbols are what you're going to find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And then, of course, the DMC code. All right. And then, of course, as you can see on this side, it has little diamonds. Okay. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful, guys. There is another legend up here. I mean, yeah, up here. Let me just move this so you can see a little better. Okay, there's another legend up here on the right-hand side, and it does also have a picture of the beautiful painting. On the top, it tells you the one with the diamond art, and then up here, it tells you 50 by 65 centimeters. It does come bigger if you like. All right, so what do we see? Well, I'm going to use my phone because I can see it better. Let's see. The colors. Look at this, guys. It's beautiful. She's beautiful. Okay, so you guys know I love anything with wings. I love fairies. I love angels. So butterflies. But look at her. Oh my gosh. So let's start. In the background, it's a very ornate, beautiful mirror. There's gold around it. I think that's gold. It could be bronze. And then the reflection here, it looks like water. And over here, I believe this is a little bathtub. I think she's in a bathroom. I'm not sure, but I think so. Or that could be a sink. Could be a sink. All right, so now let's look at this beauty. She has beautiful, beautiful dark hair with a couple of brown highlights. She has these beautiful flowers on her hair. Let's push that clear. And look at that face. Look at that. You can see, oh my God, the details. Look at her ears. You see all the little lines in her ears. Her back. It looks like she's wearing, let's see, some kind of necklace. Yeah, I think that could be part of her dress. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's gold. And then, of course, the wings. Look at those wings. Wow. I cannot wait to start this one, guys. And then look at the back of her dress, or part of the wings. Just very, very ornate. It also looks like gold. And then she's wearing this beautiful, I love the colors of her skirt. So it's got like a light and dark pinks. And not to mention, let me see something. The I don't know if it's a sink or a tub, but over here is those pretty blues that I like. And her wings have blues and greens and a little bit of yellow and a little bit of white. Absolutely beautiful, this painting. Love it. And as you can see, there's like petals. I think those are petals, like rose petals. Let's see. Yeah, that looks like a rose petal there. I'm not sure. And then some leaves here and some more flowers. Ah, that's what it is. It's roses. Or tulips. I'm not sure. Love it, guys. Now let's look at the... It is. Looks very, very sticky, which is nice. I would just wish that the plastic would be a little thicker. But that's not a problem. Absolutely stunning. All right, I'm just going to bring it up so you can see it. It does have a little bit of confetti and color blocking. A lot of confetti on her wings. And some color blocking on her beautiful back. Look at that. It's very clear. I don't know if you can see that. And then a beautiful face. The flowers on her hair. Her back. And then look at those wings. Oh my gosh. I don't remember. I don't know if I ordered this one with ABs. But I am definitely going to bling this one out. I just hope I have the special drills for this. Okay, so we're gonna put her aside and let's see what we have here. So we said it does come with a sticker sheet, and it also comes with an extra sheet, which is nice. And you could actually also use this, or you could actually put this in your logbook also. All right. Let's bring out the drills. They're not in order, so I'm going to take them out and I'll be right back. Okay guys, let's begin. I need the light a little closer now. I think that when I ordered this painting, I must have been half asleep because I can't believe that I didn't order any ABs. But I'm gonna have to go through my stash. Yes, okay. So this one is 152. See if you can see it right there. 154. 158. That's a blue. 165. Yellow. 169. I'm still in shock that I didn't order any ABs. I don't know what was I thinking. 221. 223. 301. 310, which is black. 318, gray. 413, or darker gray. 415, a light gray. 543, I'm still in shock, guys, I'm sorry. 553, 563, so we have 553 and 563. 612, 776, and 793. So far, very pretty colors. Okay, let's start over here. Oops, a daisy. Okay, 801, 803, 806, 813, 819, 844, or actually 842, and then 844. 938. Can you see these at the bottom? Yeah, you can. 993. It's like a dark blue. 950. 966. And 993. Okay. Can you see those? No. All right, so we'll put these in the other pile. But as you can see, we've got like a little bit of everything. So here we have a concentration of grays, pinks, browns, green, blue, pink, purple, red. Okay, I'm gonna move these aside. All right, and again, 966, very pretty. Okay, right there, like a green, and 993. This is like a blue green. This one up here. 3033, 3042, very pretty, like a light purple. 3354, pink. 3688. This is like a pink purple. 3722, 3727, 3747. 3756, 3766, 3768. These are the nicer colors that I like. This lots of blues and greens here. 3773, 3776, and 3799. Almost finished. Okay, and this one's 3809. 3841, 3849, 3859, 3860, 3864, and the last color is 3866. Okay. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, since I can't find any special drills because I don't know, again, what was I thinking? I don't know. Must have been half asleep, or I don't know. But anyway, so if we look at the painting, where would you put ABs if you had any? Like me, I'm gonna have to go. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyway, I will definitely add bling out her wings. Maybe here on the flowers. Back here on this ornate on her back of her dress. How about the frame of the mirror, guys? I don't know. I have to figure that out. Oh well. Anyway, I hope you guys love this painting. Oops, the glare. I hope you guys like this painting as much as I do. I will do a kitting up of this painting probably Tuesday or Wednesday. And I'm going to try to figure out what I could do. I'm going to go through my stash. That's what I need to do. To see if I have any ABs or sparklers or crystals. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. And it's going to be 5 o'clock soon. And you know who is lingering? Bella. And she's just watching me and like, Mommy, what are you doing? It's almost time for my din din. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye and thank you.